Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning background removal in Adobe Photoshop. Sometime you may have to remove the background from your image, and as an example you can take a look. This is an image of a beautiful couple and they were taking the selfie, but unfortunately they have some unwanted object behind them, and in that case you may have to remove the background. And we are going to learn this entire process, how you will remove the background from your image easily. So let me show you the final output after removing the background. So let me turn off the background layer. You can take a look, the background is removed and only this couple remains in this image. But if you want to place this couple in any other image, you can do that easily after removing the background. Right now they don't have any background and we placed them in here. So this is the simple process, and we are going to learn this entire process in this lesson. So let's take a look. So at first we have to open our exercise file, and here is the file menu. Here is the open option. Inside the selection and masking folder, you will get this couple selfie image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, this is our image and we have to remove the entire background from this beautiful couple, and we are going to do this in 3 steps. At first we will duplicate the background layer, then we will make a selection for them, and finally we will add a layer mask for separating them from this image. So let's start the process for duplicating the layer, and it's very simple. You just have to right click with your mouse on background layer, then you will get this duplicate layer option, and let me write no BG, that means no background, and I'm going to click OK. So here is our new layer, and with this new layer I want to start the making selection for this couple. And we have to use the quick selection tool for making the selection. So here is the quick selection tool, and please make sure you are using this add selection form. So let's start the selection for them. We will make only selection for this couple only. We will not make any selection of extra area. Okay, cool. We have a perfect selection for them, and right now we have to add a layer mask for separating them from the image. And to add a layer mask, you just have to click on this add a layer mask option inside the layer panel. So let me click over here, and you can take a look. A layer mask is added to our no beige layer. And if you take a look on background layer, we still have the background, but if you turn off the background layer, then the background will be removed. So let me turn off the background layer, and you can take a look, the background is removed from the image. And if you want to place them in a different image, you can do that easily. So let's do that. To place them in a different image, we have to open our exercise file once again, and here is the file menu, open option, and inside the selection and masking folder you will get this Victoria Unsplash image. So you just have to select it and then you have to go for open option. Okay, a nice image of island, and we are going to place these couples to that island image. So we have to move them, and to move them we want to use the quick selection tool. So here is the quick selection tool, and please make sure this no beige layer is selected, and we want to drag and drop this couple from this image to that island image. So you just have to use your mouse for dragging them from this image, and we will drop them over here. Okay, we have to scale them properly, and to scale you just have to press Ctrl or Command T button from your keyboard. Okay, Okay, cool. Now it looks good. And you can take a look. The couples are placed in here, and it looks like they are taking the selfie in an Iceland. So this is the simple process for removing the background and place that image in a different image. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's have some practice.